Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to record COGS or cost of goods sold in QuickBooks Online. First, let's talk about what is COGS. So cost of goods sold represent the direct cost of producing or purchasing the goods your business sell, like raw materials, inventory purchases, or freight cost. So QuickBooks Online can track and record costs automatically if you set up your product, services, and account correctly. So let's start how you can record Cogs. So first step is to check if the Cogs accounts exist. So what you have to do is open up your QuickBooks dashboard and then click on this settings icon. Then from here click on this charts of accounts option. Then here you just have to search if the Cogs account is already created or not. So you can use this search bar to search for that account. So just simply write cost of goods sold, and if the account is exist it will list here. But if this account doesn't exist in your account, what you have to do is just simply click on this new account button. Then here in the account name you have to write cost of goods sold, and in the account type you have to select the same account type, cost of goods sold. Then it will automatically select the detail type as cost of labor. So simply select the appropriate type. If it represent the equipment rental, shipping, freight, delivery, or supplies material, so you just have to select the subcategory. So I will just simply select this supplies and material. Then you can also enter a description of this account if you want, and then simply click on save button and your account will be created. So most QuickBooks accounts come with a default cost of goods sold account already created. You can use that. You don't need to create a new account if that account exists on your account. Now second step is to enable inventory tracking if you sell products. So if you sell physical products and wants QuickBooks to track inventory and COGS automatically, you have to follow this step. Again, click on this settings icon. Then here you have to tap on this account and settings. Then click on sales, and under this product and service section you have to click on this pencil icon, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled these three options. First is show product service column on sales form, and then second is track quantity and price rate, and third is track inventory quantity on hand. So you just have to enable these three options and then simply click on save and then click on done, and your inventory tracking is enabled. Now third step is to set up products and link to Cogs. So simply click on this sales option from the left sidebar. Then you have to click on product and services. Then you have to click on new if it is a product. Then you have to select the inventory, and here you have to fill up all these details such as name, SKU, category, initial quantity on hand, and date. So I will just simply fill some random details here. So once you fill up these things, you have to make sure that in the expense account you have selected this cost of goods sold account type. If it isn't, you have to simply search for that and select from here, and then simply click on save and close. So this tells QuickBooks every time you sell an item, automatically reduce the inventory and record its cost as COGS. Now the next step is to record the purchase of inventory. So when you buy a product to sell, all you need to do is just simply click on this new button, and from here select the bill or the expense or the check depending on your situation. So I will just simply select bill. Then here you have to choose the vendor from which you are buying these products. Then under the category details, you have to select the inventory item that you are buying. So for example, I will search for the shirts that we have added. or I will simply select another product. Here in the category, first you just have to select the category of your item, and then in the item you have to select the item that you are buying. So we are buying t-shirt, so I will select from here. Then you just have to enter the quantity and the amount you are paying, and then simply click on save and schedule payment button, and then QuickBooks now increase your inventory asset value. Now the next step is to record the sale. When you sell that product via invoice or sale receipt, you have to follow this step. Click on new, and then you have to select the invoice or sale receipt. I will select invoice. Then you have to choose the customer. Then you have to add your inventory item. So for example, I will select this t-shirt, and then simply enter the quantity or price, or it will automatically fetch the price that you have added in your product. Then simply you can also add the discount or tax if you want, and then simply click on review and send. Now QuickBooks will automatically decrease the inventory asset, increase costs, and records income from that sale. Now last step is to view your Cogs report. To confirm the Cogs activity, you just have to follow this simple step. So first you have to click on reports. Then you have to click on profit and loss. Then under the expense, you have to look for the cost of goods, or it can also be labeled as cost of goods sold. So you will see the total cost of sold inventory for that period that you have selected in this report. So that is how you can record COGS, or the cost of goods sold, in QuickBooks Online. If this video was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in the next one.